Hello everyone, this is Jennifer. Welcome to my channel. Today I will show you these lashes. You can see these lashes. There are some DM style lashes and DL style lashes. DM style lashes are 20mm mink lashes. I have shown you before. And this all 20mm mink lashes DM style. And this DB style mink lashes. These are 25mm double layer mink lashes. Today I will introduce one DB style lashes and one DM style lashes. Let me see. Hey, look, this is DM style. This is DM15. I think it's like a star. It's more soft and easy to wear. Do you like it? And you can see this is DB style mink lashes. It's 28mm mink lashes. It's very long. You can see. Also, it is very long, but it's easy to wear and soft, very light. Okay, today's sharing is here. See you next time. Welcome to subscribe my channel. See you next time. Bye.